the scriptures, it doesn't present the angels as naive or misleading. They are very precise in what they're saying. What they're announcing is the deepest fracture in the universe is finally being addressed. And this deeper fracture, it's not between nations. This deeper fracture is not between certain peoples. It's not political fracture. It's between humanity and God. And that's why the announcement is framed the way it is. Peace on earth to those with whom God is pleased. It's diagnostic language. It's saying this is the problem and this is what this peace means. The Bible is not claiming that humans are just anxious and misinformed. The Bible is actually claiming that what you're experiencing is so deeper than just your temporary emotions of the moment. What you experience is estrangement from God, alienation from God. That's been the problem. The problem wasn't the Romans. The problem wasn't that the shepherds were poor. The problem wasn't that, oh, you're just misunderstood or that you're oppressed even. The problem is deeper than all that, because even if God did appear that night and gave them riches, and even if God did appear that night and gave them power, the same underlying problem would still have been there and present and destructive. You don't get lasting peace by fixing circumstances.